여러분, Fate입니다. Last week Friday, I had the opportunity to attend the Hallyu Creators Hangout as one of KCCN's Hallyu creator, and it was such a fun and amazing experience. I got to connect with other creators in Abuja, and we also played a series of Korean games. At the end, my team won and received a special prize. The prize was one I wasn't expecting. Our team had no hope of winning from the very beginning. However, we won, and yeah, today we would be unboxing the gifts together. Okay, ta-da! Here we go. I've been an ARMY for about, I think, 11 years and a couple of months. And honestly, this is my first album. Last year, our King Sejong Institute teacher hosted an ARMY hangout for us and distributed BTS photo cards. That was my first ever photo card of BTS. And now I got my hands on the latest Arirang album, thanks to KCCN. So yeah, honestly, I don't want to unbox this. I just want to leave it the way it is, but I'm very curious as to what is inside. So yeah, let's get right into the video. These are the soundtracks, the song in the album. I think, yeah, in order. Yeah. Then we have Arirang here. Ooh, wow. Then message from each member, starting from RM to Jungkook. Okay, I think I really like this. You can work at heaven. Okay. First, we have this. I think this is the CD. So this is the Arirang CD, and this is supposed to be the lyrics. This is the lyrics book. So we have the lyrics for each song in this pamphlet. So back into it, much more interested in the photo cards. 10. Oh, okay, we'll go for this last.